Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashik bin Farooq and I am really excited to introduce myself for this video resume. I am currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. I am completing my college Tamil Milad Kamil Madrasa of Dhaka in 2021 and my school Tamil Milad Kamil Madrasa of Dhaka in 2019. My mother is a housewife and my father is a businessman. I am passionate about technology, creativity, and continuous learning. Enjoy working of projects that challenge me to think critically and solve real world problems. One of my recent project is a hospital management system where I work with my skill and others tools to build features like appointment booking, doctor availability, and admin management. Beside academics, I love traveling, bike riding, and video editing and football games. These hobbies help me stay creative and confidence expressing my ideas. Thank you for watching video.